Yeah, if you're gonna get that much. What's that? Yeah. It's just because people don't practice. They don't know. I mean, hard to believe all this 22 sitting here, huh?
Oh yeah. But you know, they've been having it like this for the last couple of weeks.
Have they?
What's up, fellas? AZ Sandman here. And as you can see from that clip, once again, Cabela's was fully loaded. Ended up getting me one of the 333 packs. Let's see. Cabela's 727. Got me a bottle of water. Well, got my wife a bottle of water and a Bear Claw. Some 36 grain 22 LR for $19.99. Cashed in some Cabela's points, $11.46. And, you know, went about my business. You know, I just scored my first bucket yesterday, and I figured, you know what? Let's see what they got today. Went up there 5 in the evening, and they still had ammo. You know, so ain't no excuse for nobody not to be scoring. Ain't no more reason for any hate responses. You know, the trolls need to find something better to do, and haters need to hate elsewhere, because if it's there all day, all evening, and if you're not getting it, then you're not trying. And with that being said, I decided to get this 333 pack just for old time's sake. You know, the struggle is over. So says I. So let it be known, therefore it is. Stay thirsty, my friends.